Hi guys, today I want to show you multiple styles of dresses made from the one sewing pattern. Here's the original little boxy dress. It's my most popular free sewing pattern and is now an online sewing workshop. It's a reversible dress and it's really simple to make. And here, just by changing the fabric, it has a totally different look. I've used the exact same sewing pattern as the first two dresses to make this completely different looking dress. It has dolman sleeves and side pockets. We'll get back to this dress a bit later, but for now, let's take a look at more dresses made from the one boxy dress sewing pattern. Take a look at Sashiko Style, Instagrammer who's made two little boxy dresses. They look totally different, right? The one on the right has inseam pockets. Jackie from my Facebook group has shown us a midi dress with side splits. It looks so elegant this way. Susan, also from my Facebook group, has made a flared skirt version. I just love how you can still enjoy to sew even during a pandemic. Here's my dress with the dolman sleeves and ruffles. I've actually done a blog post about this, so you'll find a link to that blog post either on the video or you can go straight to sewinlove.com.au. Two more ladies from my Facebook group. They've both made dresses with a bias binding that's visible and in a contrasting fabric. So Tanisha and Hazel have both made these dresses, and don't they look amazing? I hope that this has inspired you to realize what you can create from the one little boxy dress sewing pattern. The first step is to sign up for the free workshop to start making your little boxy dress. So make sure you go and do that through the link in the bio or in the description box, or go straight to sewinlove.com.au.